Hi and welcome to this video where we will be discussing solar energy in South Africa. South Africa is a country that has a lot of potential when it comes to harnessing solar energy due to its abundant sunshine and favorable climate. Over the past few years, the solar energy industry in South Africa has experienced significant growth. The government has been actively promoting the use of renewable energy, including solar, as a way to reduce the country's reliance on fossil fuels and lower carbon emissions. Incentives such as tax credits, subsidies, and investment in research and development have been put in place to encourage the development of the solar energy sector. One of the biggest areas of growth in solar energy in South Africa is in residential and commercial installations. As the cost of solar panels continues to decrease, more and more people are turning to solar as a source of energy. Not only is this good for the environment, but it can also save homeowners and businesses money on their energy bills. Another area of growth is large-scale solar projects, such as utility-scale solar farms. These projects have the potential to provide communities and businesses with clean, renewable energy and help to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. South Africa has the potential to become a leader in the African solar market by investing in these projects. The growth of the solar energy industry in South Africa is also creating job opportunities. From the installation of solar panels to the maintenance of solar systems, there are a wide range of jobs available in the industry. This is great news for the South African economy, as the solar energy sector has the potential to create thousands of jobs in the coming years. In conclusion, solar energy in South Africa is an industry with a lot of potential for growth and development. With the right investments and incentives, the solar energy sector can continue to grow and provide South Africa with clean, renewable energy and job opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.